Hello guys, welcome to Cloud 24 Services. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to clone a website and edit parts of the content, okay, from start to finish. Okay, there are certain tools or software you'll be needing for this tutorial. I'm going to give them all to you or show you access to all of them, and of course how to get to use them as well, so that you can replicate this or any other website of your choice, okay, just as I am going to show you in this particular tutorial. So actually this is a real estate website, okay, with offices in Nigeria, the US, the UK, and Ireland. So basically, this is actually the website I'm going to be using for this particular tutorial. Everything I'm going to do here, if you can get your fingers dirty and of course try to do exactly what I'm doing right here, then of course you'll get the exact same results that I am going to get, okay, on your own end, wherever you're watching this from. So without any further delay, let's just get started with this. So the very first thing I want to do right now is to go straight to google.com. We'll go to google.com, and then we're going to look for ht track website copier. Okay, ht track. Let me zoom in so you can see it very well. ht track, htt, then rack. Okay, htt rack or ht track website copier. So this is actually the software we're going to be needing for this particular tutorial. So just hit enter, and then the very first link you're given, that is shown to you, is httrack. Download httrack website copier 3.49.2. okay, so just click on this one, and then here we have the next interface or the next page where we have this. It says we recommend. Okay, so this is exactly what we're going to follow. Windows, from Windows Vista to Windows 10 and above, 64-bit installer. So this is exactly what we're going to be using for this tutorial. So just go straight to where it says alternate site, click it. So whatever pops up after that, just cancel it. So automatically the download starts, and of course within split seconds it's completed. So the very next thing I want to do right now is to click it right here. Mine shows up here. Yours could be maybe somewhere at the corner, left corner, right corner, whichever way. Just click it. So the next thing you'll see is run. So at this point, it's asking us for permission to allow this device, or this software rather, make changes to our device. So all you need to do is just click yes. All right, so as soon as you click yes right there to allow the program make changes to your device, the very next thing right here is to what? Click next. So as soon as you do that, the next thing you need to do is to what? Accept their terms of agreement, and of course click next again. When you get here, this is simply where it is going to be stored. Look at this. To continue, click next. If okay, setup will install ht track website copier into the following folder. This is it. Your C drive. Inside your C drive, you're going to have your program files. Inside your program files, you'll have this software, httrack, stored in there. Just take note of that, all right? Don't do any other thing here. I advise, please don't do anything here. Then click next, okay? Right here, you don't need to do anything. Just click next again. Your job is to click next, okay? So when you get here, ensure that this is not checked. Register win httrack file type and all that. Don't touch it, don't check it. Leave it as 0 blank. Okay, and also for this one, create a quick launch icon. Leave this one alone. Just create desktop icon. This is all that you need, okay? And then next. Okay, for this one too, install. So within a few seconds, it will be done, okay? All right, that is settled. So for this one again, please uncheck this one, this view history. You don't need this one. But this launch win httrack website copier, yes. So you're going to have 1, 0. Yes, no, okay, check, uncheck, and then finish. Okay, so automatically it's going to open the Windows or the Win httrack website copier for you. Okay, so that's is that. All right. So now that it's open, what do? We just click next. Okay. So it's going to ask us for this project name. What's the project name? I'm going to call it website clone tutorial. Website clone tutorial. Okay. Oh, look at the L. The L is capital L. Capital L should be small. Okay, website clone tutorial, that settles that. So remember, while we were installing, this particular folder was created for us. This directory was created for us automatically during the process of installation. All right. So leave it like that, the way it is. Supply your project name. Yours can be ABC, yours can be whatever it is. Just choose a project name, supply it right here, and of course come here and click next. Okay, so the very next thing we want to do right now is to supply the web address, the URL of the website you want to clone, right? So normally some people like to just type https and / whatever.com. I advise you don't do this. Okay, I strongly advise against doing this. So what I advise that you do is just go straight to the website. Okay, this is the website I want to clone. This is it right here, right? Yeah, this is what I want to clone for this particular tutorial. So I'll just come right here and copy the the URL of this particular, I call it httrack. Copy the URL of this particular website, okay, highlight and copy, then come right here to your httrack website copier and then put it right there. So the very next thing you want to do is what? Click next, and then you can guess, right? Finish. So automatically the software takes it up from here. It begins to clone, do the cloning by itself automatically. So the question you might want to ask is, how long will this take? Okay, sometimes it can take 30 minutes, it can take 1 hour, it can take 2 hours, or even more than that, depending on the size of the website. If it's a very, very big website, then you'll spend a long time there. Well, in this case, we can hardly guess how long it'll take. So for that reason, I'll just open my fridge and get a bottle of water or a bottle of Coke or just juice and then enjoy myself. So I advise you do the same, and let's wait for this process. So if this is your first time of coming across any of the videos on this channel, I want to beg that you please subscribe. Okay, like this video and share it with your friends and people you love, so that more people can get to see this video and enjoy the benefits of it. Also, please click the bell notification on your screen. That will do me and you a lot of good, especially me. Yes, and also it will help you as well, so that whenever I create a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Also, if you are a returning subscriber, like you've been a subscriber before and you're seeing this video, I want to say thank you very much for coming back. Thank you very much for watching this with me. Thank you for staying with me. So without further ado, I'll just say this: whether you're first time visitor or you're already a subscriber, I want to say thank you very much. I appreciate you. I love you. Oh, God bless you. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward this video right now, and I'll see you when the cloning process has been completed. At this juncture, the websites have been fully cloned. So right now, what I'll just do is what I will just do right now is click finish. Okay, and then of course there's no need for this next. This is for the new. This for a new project, and I don't care about this one. I'll just close it right now. Okay, close this. Yes, that's all. So I'll go straight to my C drive. Okay, go to my website. Okay, then inside that I have website clone tutorial. Remember the title I gave to it, right? Or the project name rather. So the next thing I want to do is come straight to the website. The website is empressglow.com. Come right here, open the folder, and then there's an index file inside it. This is the index file. Yeah, this is the index file, and it's behaving just exactly like the real website. As you can see, this is coming from my computer. This is coming straight from my computer, okay? This is not online. We are completely offline right now, okay? So, and all the sliding images are working just perfectly. Everything is doing awesomely well, okay? Everything was fully cloned. This is beautiful. Okay, so the very next thing we want to do right now is to go straight into the into the editing process. We have cloned the website. The next thing is to what? Start editing. Now, for you to be able to edit your cloned website, the thing you would need, the tool or the software you need is a code editor. Okay, some people use Visual Studio Code. I use it also, but for a beginner, I think I'd like you to use Sublime Text Editor. So we'll go online and search for Sublime Text Editor. So let's go straight to Google. Go straight to Google, google.com. So right here, we're going to look for Sublime Texts Download, yeah. So let me zoom in so you can see it very well. As you can see, Sublime Text Download, right? So let me zoom back out and then hit enter. So this very first link is what you go to, download Sublime Text. So hit that one. So as you can see, for Mac OS, for Windows, and for Linux, okay? But I'm using Windows 11, so I'll hit Windows, so automatically it starts downloading for me. So within some seconds or maybe a few minutes, I'll have it fully downloaded. So the download process is completed already, so I'll just click it from here. Okay, so right now I'm going to run. So as soon as I run, it will tell me it will ask permission to make changes to my device. So all you just need to do is to what? Click yes and move on. So I'm going to click run first of all. Okay, and on the next pop-up, I'll click yes. Okay, so all we need to do right now is just to click next, and then add to Explorer, content menu, yes. Okay, and then next. So the very next thing is to what? Install. So within a few seconds, it's done. So the installation is completed right now. What we need to do right now is what? Click finish. So the moment this is done, I can decide to search it from here. If I search for Sublime, because it's been installed, I can have it from here. Okay, so I think this is the fastest way to get it. But if you cannot find it like this, you can decide to open your File Explorer, or Windows Explorer rather. Okay, you can come right here to your local disk, and then which is your C drive, of course. Then come straight to Program Files. Inside Program Files, you'll find your Sublime Text right here. Okay, so this is executable file. You can double click this, it gets your Sublime Text out. Okay, so either way, you're good. Okay, so you can as well decide to search from here. Okay, Sublime, like I said before, search from here, and then it comes out for you. Click it, and then it opens for you. Okay, so the next thing we want to do right now, we've got our code editor, so we can get to work. At this juncture, let's go and start. Let's begin the editing process for this cloned website. Okay, so click right here. Come right here to File, come to File, and of course go to Open Folder. Inside your Open Folder, you will see, okay, come straight to your local disk. Okay, from there you'll have this is my website. Come right here, double click it. This is the project we've just cloned, right? Enter the project, then go straight to the website itself, the web address, empressglow.com. That is what I've done. Yours might be abc.com. Another person can be whatever it is, .org, .us, .uk, .au, whatever it is. So open this one, just touch it, just click it, and then select folder. Okay, so it opens up the folder for you. Okay, this other one, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close this one. Ouch, what did I do? Okay, that's there. So here I have Now that I have this, I've opened this, right? I'll just come straight to the index.html. This is index.html, right? So first of all, I'm going to delete all of these jargons from httrack web copier. Okay, I'm also going to delete all of these ones. They annoy me. Okay, all of this commented httrack, as you can see, added by httrack. Just remove all of them, get them off. Okay, so this is the first thing I'm seeing here is the title. Okay, this says Empress Global. Let's go back to the website. Okay, I can cancel this one too. Look at here. This is what I have here. Empress Global right at the top. So what I intend to create right now is not a real estate. We all know that this is actually a real estate website, right? But we don't want to do a real estate website. I don't want to do a real estate website. I love school websites, especially for things like this, for tutorials like this. So I'm going to change this whole thing into a school website. How do I go about this? Just follow me. First of all, I want the school name to be Pristine. So I'm going to change this Empress Global to Pristine. If you cannot see this, you can just decide to right click what you've done, click inspect, or in your case, you might just say inspect element. If this is what you're seeing, you can just come right here. Before this cancel, just come right here to these three dots, click it, and then click on this up and down window. Okay, click this so that you can have the inspected element down here and then your screen up here. So that is that. All right, so first of all, I have Empress Global. Okay, I may not necessarily see that here. Okay, so I'll just come right here and search for Empress Global. Press Ctrl F, F for fish, F for Florida. So I'm going to have Empress Global. Okay, as you can see, this is it, right? So I'm going to change the name from Empress Global to Pristine School. Okay, let's see what happens in front. Oh, come on now. This is not Pristine. IS, yes, Pristine, right? Pristine actually it's one of those English words I really love the meaning. Okay, pristine means beautiful, perfect, awesome, just smooth, flawless. Okay, so that's there. So I'm going to reload this page. As you can see, it's no longer Empress Global. It is now Pristine School. Okay, so let's start with this phone number and email address. What's the phone number here? Let me just copy it. Let me copy it and then come right here and search again. Of course, I already have this here. Okay, just paste it right here. As you can see, this is what I have. I have the phone number is that, I think it's close to the top. Okay, I'm a Nigerian. I'm just going to change this to, let's say maybe I should use my WhatsApp number. Let me use my WhatsApp number, which is, of course, I have several WhatsApps, but let me see if I can use this very one. Okay, so I'm going to use plus 234. Okay, 8120 592545. Yeah, plus 2348120592545. So this is my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. This is what I want to put here. So you can put your own as well. Anything you like, you can put there. Now, this is info@empressglow.com. Maybe I can decide to have another email and call it, let's say info at pristineschool.com. Okay, info@pristineschool.com. canva.com. So I'm just going to change the exact same, change this into this one as well. Okay, just copy it and paste it right here. So let's go back and check what happens in the front. Okay, let's go back and check what's in front. As you can see, this is now my WhatsApp number, and this is pristineschool.com. Sorry, info@pristineschool.com. There's an error there. I'll just bring it right here. Say info@pristineschool.com. So this is what we have. Yeah. Okay, so we started making changes. Let's continue going. Since it's a school, let's start with this menu. This is find property. This is home is fine. About us is fine. Contact us is fine. Find property, Crip share, no. So I'm just going to search for these two and change them. I'll change this one to maybe learning. This one is maybe school community, then community, as in community services. So let's go and change that one. So we're just going to search for, what are their names again? We have find property, then Crip share. So let's go and search for any of those. Find property. Find property, yes. So this find property now, I'm going to change it to learning. I'm going to change it to learning. And then this Crip share, I'm going to change it to community, as in service to the community. Okay, so also I'll go, because the truth is anything that is up here is also down here. Can you see? Down here. So I'm going to change these ones as well. These ones are, this is the footer, right? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'll go straight down, 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 down. Go down, 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 and then try to make the difference right here. So this is it right here. So I'm going to have, sorry, contact is okay. Where is it? Yeah, this find property. This find property, I'm going to call it is it leadership? No. What did I use the other time? Learning, right? Learning. And then for this one, I called it community. So, community. Okay. So I'm just going to call it maybe community.html. Community.html, and for this one I'm going to call it going to change the name to learning.html. okay, although these two pages are not in existence for now, they can be created sometime later, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going into all that, but mine is just to let you know mine is to let you to change these things so you can see them, okay, and see how they work. So let's go back and check. So whatever you do, whatever you do, any changes you make on the back, at the back like this, what you just need to do is what? Click, press Ctrl S, just the same way you do on your Microsoft Word, okay? Ctrl S to save everything, okay? So come right here again and reload this page. As you can see, this is now learning and this is community. Let's go back to the top. We have home, about, contact, learning, and community. So the very next thing I want to do right now is to change the logo. Change this logo here. We've got to change it. Now, as a web designer or web developer, nobody really forces you to be a graphic designer. It's not really necessary. No, it's necessary, but it's not really important. Let me put it that way. So if you know that you don't know how to design logos by yourself, Canva is your friend. Don't tell anybody, please. Canva is your friend, all right? So Canva will do all the designs for you. So let's just go straight to canva.com, okay, and hit enter. Okay, this is Canva. So remember, we are trying to build a school website or design a school website, right? So we need a school logo. All right, so I'll just come right here and search for school logo. Okay, then hit enter. Canva will give you a lot and a lot. I've designed this one actually. I designed this one myself. I'm going to design it again for the sake of this tutorial. So now we have school logo, different types of logos, right? Now this one's where you have crown, okay, crown and pro, okay, they are paid, okay, but very many of them are free. Very many are free. All these ones are free. Very many of them are free. So I'll just look for one that is also free that we can use. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. So I will just pick this. So the next thing is to what? Customize this template. You can pick any one you like. I don't want to force you into choosing what you don't like anyway. I don't want to lead the witness here. So just go to anyone you like and then choose it. Mine is just for you to understand what is happening right here. So if you look very well, you'll realize that this logo has this color and these two has this color coincidentally, so it's fine. Although they are not exactly the same, but they're very close. Now this one has, I think, a shade of green, maybe dark green or something. So let's just try to do the exact same thing here. So we're just going to click this logo. Okay, so this blue, this one is this, and this blue is this. So we're going to change this blue to that dark green. So I'm just going to click straight on this blue. Okay, come again and click on it here. Okay, so we'll just drag this guy here to green. Right here, this is green, so I can just come right down here. It's dark green. Okay, maybe a little darker or a little deeper. Yes, very dark green, more like looking like black already. So this is what we want, right? So I'll click on this guy, this center, delete it, come here again, delete it, right? So I'll just come here, click share, and then download. As you can see, PNG is suggested. Download again. So as you can see, it's been downloaded for us already. So I'll just go straight to my download in my file explorer. Here, this is what I have. So I'm just gonna right click this guy here. I'll right click this one, then open with Microsoft Paint. Okay, open with Microsoft Paint, and then from here I can decide to, first of all, click this, then crop it into something very small. Okay, this is perfect. I'll come right here, crop. Okay, so I'm just gonna change the name. Let me change the name to logo1.png. Okay, so I'll just save it. Okay, so I'll close this out. So here I have, I had logo 1. Oh damn, yeah, this is it, logo 1. So the very next thing I want to do right now is to remove this background from this logo 1. Very, very important. So I'm just going to go straight to remove. I'll cancel this guy out. Remove .bg. Remove .bg as in background. Okay, So I'm going to drop, of course, I've dropped the link to all of these websites, both Canva, remove.bg, and the other one we'll still use. Everything has been dropped in the comment, in the description of this video, so you can go check it and use it very well to your advantage. Okay, so I'm going to click upload image. Okay, I'll just come straight to logo one, pick logo one, then open. So within few seconds, it will remove the background of logo one. Yes, it's been done already very easily. So download, it's already here. So I'm just going to cancel this guy out. Go straight again to my download. Click it. Very well. So this is the removed background. I don't need this anymore. This one can go. I'll just delete it. Okay, this is the one I have now. I'm going to rename it so that I can easily use it. Okay, so that's that logo one, right? So let's go back to the website, to the cloned website. Okay, here we have, this is the logo one we've just created. Now we need to create the whole logo now, the whole logo. So I'm going to right click this, go straight to inspect. Okay, go straight to inspect. So as you can see, I have this right here. Okay, see what I have? Images / dark1.svg. Okay, if I hover on it, I have this. It gives me description of it, right? But just take note, images / dark1.svg. I'm just going to search for this in my code. If this doesn't show up, try to right click again and then it will certainly show. This is it, images / dark1.svg. Okay, in case you don't know how to memorize it, you can just come right here, edit as HTML. That is, what did I just do right now? I right clicked, then come straight to edit as HTML. Okay, so I'll come right here, copy this, copy the path. Okay, and then go straight to my code and search for it right here. Okay, this is it. This is the image. Okay, this is all we want to change. But then there is nothing for us to put here. We can't put that logo one. It doesn't make sense, right? That logo one has to have the name attached to it so it can be a very decent logo. So one thing I need us to do right now is to get the dimension of this image. Okay, if I hover on it, as you can see, we have 250 × 70. The width of the image is 250. The height is 70. So let's go back to Canva. Cancel this out. Come right here. Click Create Design. So it will pop out this custom size. So this is, we can call this 250. I believe it's 250, and then the height is 70. Let me check again and be double sure. Yeah, 250 and 70. Okay, so now that we have this, create new design. (250 × 70), that is 250 by 70. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust this size to 100%. Adjust it to 100% so that you can really appreciate what is happening here. Okay, so I'll just come right here to my upload. Okay, click upload. All right, then upload files. Okay, then bring this logo one into it, then open. So the logo one will load out right here. Okay, we have it now. I'll click it and then expand this one. Okay, expand it very well, then bring it to this place. Okay, I think it needs to be bigger. So I'll just, okay, bring it a little down. Okay, this is perfect. I believe this is perfect, right? Very well. So the very next thing I want to do right now is to bring the name. The name is Pristine School. So I just come right here to text, click text. So under text, I have add a heading, add a subheading. So click add a heading. So I'm just going to expand this one a little, then type Pristine School. Okay, I'll just bring it out like this. Yeah, Pristine School. Try to Grammarly, I don't need you. So I have Pristine School. I just bring this here like this. Okay, so every logo, especially for a school, would need, apart from the name of the school, it will also need the slogan of the school or the motto of the school, right? So at this point, we need to supply that one. So that will bring us to the add a subheading. So this one, I'll just call it, I'll call it, let me just call it good learners or good learning. This is not really awesome, but let's just put something there just for us to have something at the slogan. It really doesn't matter because this is not a real project, right? So I'm going to reduce the size. Yeah, good learning, great character. Let's just leave that one. It still makes a little sense. Yes. Okay. I'll just drag it here. Yes. So this is it. Pristine School. As you can see, the logo is ready. This is awesome. Isn't it wonderful? So this is now the logo of the school's website. So I'm going to click this to download this new logo. Download now. Okay, so that's ready. I'll go back to my downloads and then, where is it? Yeah, this is it. Pristine School, right? This is it right here. So what I'm going to do again will be to remove the background. It's important that the background be removed. So I'll just go straight again to remove the BG. We've been there before. Remove the BG. Remove that BG. This website has helped me a million times. So remove the BG. What I need is Pristine School logo, right? I'll just come right here and then remove the background. Okay, it's been done already. I'll just come right here again and download it. So automatically we have it. So I'll just go straight again to my downloads. This is remove.bg. No. This is it, right? So I'm just going to call this one, I'll call it logo. Logo.png. Okay. As you can see, the background has been removed. Okay, so I will have to go back to the website and check where exactly this logo should be placed. Remember, it is images/dark1.svg, right? Images. So I just have to go to the images folder, go to the main folder right now. First of all, I have to copy this 1 and 2. In fact, cut them out, then go straight to the project folder, right? My websites, and then I have website clone tutorial. Inside that I have this, then look for images. This is it, right? Very well. So dark one, I'll just paste it right here. Paste it right here. So it's inside the same folder with that dark one, that SVG. Okay, very well. So now that I have the logo.png, does this PNG really matter? Let me just remove that .png. It's not necessary. Very well. It's not necessary. Okay, there's already a logo here. Okay, there's a logo here. Okay, is this what we have? Let me be sure. Okay, very well. So I'm just going to rename it to something unique. Let me call it logo with GG. That is 2 G's, right? Very well. This is it. Logo. That's awesome. So I'll just come right here again. Remember, we've searched for this before. Okay, come on now. Okay, so for this one, I'll just come right here. As you can see, if you've forgotten, remember we got the name from here. We got the name from here. Okay, you can right click this and then edit as HTML, then copy this, okay, then come back here again. You can decide to just paste it right here, and then you get this. So we're going to change this one. This folder remains the same, okay, but we're going to change the contents of the image itself. So we used logo.png because it's a PNG file, right? So let's check. Let's reload this file, this web page rather. As you can see, we have pristine school, good learning, great character. That is awesome. Okay. If we keep scrolling, you can see as I scroll up, there is another appearance of the old logo. So it means we're going to, let me check the name too. I think it should still be the same, the exact same logo. So I'm just going to change it. Okay, it's still the same. Images dark one. Okay, that's the logo. So I'm just still gonna come right here and search for everywhere the image appears. So I'll change all of them to logo.png. Okay, every other place it appears again. Okay, there's another one. I'm going to change all the different appearances. Okay, if it appears a million times, it should be changed a million times. Okay, logo.png. Okay, so I'm going to save this and then reload the page. Let me cancel this out. Very well. So if I scroll, as you can see, this is gone, right? It's also important. What about this fave icon? I need to change this as well. It's important I change this. So I'm just going to look for, maybe look for the fave icon, F-A-V-I. Okay. But the fave icon is actually somewhere at the top. Somewhere at the top. It's always somewhere here. Okay, I think this is its icon, shortcut icon. Okay, this is empress.png. So let me bring that logo one and see if it makes any difference. No, it doesn't make any difference. Where I have pristine school. Let's check again. Let's check again. Okay, I think this should take care of it. Logo 1. Let's see. Let's reload it. Yes, it has changed. So this is it. This is it exactly. Very well. So we can start working on other things. What about these images? All of these sliding images, though they are beautiful, but we don't need this one because we're making a school website, right? It's important to change all of them. Okay, so there is this website where I get cool images from for all web projects. Okay, the website is called FreePic. Free, then PIK.com. Freepik.com. This is where you get all your cool images. All right, so what kind of image do I need? All I need to do is to describe in few words, and then it will give me the kind of image I am looking for, or something very close to what I'm looking for, and that solves the problem. So I'm going to search for school kids, maybe. Okay, I'm beginning to get results. School kids. Okay, I like this one. First of all, I'm going to enter this one and download it fast. Okay, so we have it. So I'm just going to click download, then come straight down. Okay, download again. Come to this free download. What size am I looking for? I think this should do. This medium size should be okay. So I'll come right here, click free download again. So automatically it downloads for me as fast as it can anyway. So while I'm waiting for this one, I can cancel this. It's downloading already, no problem. So I'll come to another one, and I need 3 images. So I'm going to look for another one that really makes a lot of sense. Okay. This is beautiful, but I need something landscape. Okay, let me take this cool pictures. Yeah, this is also very beautiful. So I'm just going to come right here and download it. Okay. Free download. Okay, come here and click this, then free download. Okay, so I can as well cancel out since it's downloading already. Look for a third image. Okay, I don't quite have all the time. Okay, this will make sense, but I think I prefer this laughing children. I prefer this one. So I'm going to expand it. The quality won't be broken, though it's supposed to be a paid picture, but okay, no, I don't want YouTube to put me in trouble. So let me just let me take this one. Okay, let me expand this one. Let me expand this one and use it. Oh, but it will cut their heads. I don't want that to happen. let me look for more pictures. There are certainly more pictures I can use. Okay, what about this? Let me try to look at the next page. Yeah, next page. What's going on? Load fast, load fast, load fast. Don't have all day. There's a reason why I don't want to use most of these images I'm seeing here. Okay, I think this will make sense. I need a picture where children are interacting. Okay, let's just do this. I'm just going to do something. I will simply do a print screen for this image. I'll take a screenshot of this particular page of this image, okay, just to be a little faster. I believe the quality should still make a lot of sense. So I'll just go and pick that particular image. Okay, you can download anyone you like. If you download it will still make sense, but I feel that's faster for me. So I'll just come right here and go to pictures. Under my pictures I have this. That's the third image now. Come right here and then click on paint. Click on paint and then come right here and then crop this guy. Crop this guy out. Okay, then this is fine. So I can call it save as maybe child 3. Okay, I believe I already have child 1 and child 2 that I downloaded straight from the website. So okay, I'll call this child 1. Child 1. Now call this child 2. Call this child 2. Okay, so I have child 1, child 2, and child 3, right? So the very next thing I want to do right now is to go straight to Canva. But before I go to Canva, I need to get the dimensions of each of these images. How large are they? How small are they? I need to get the exact dimensions so that I can get the exact same result that this website already has. Okay, so I'm going to look for the images. I have just right clicked. You know how I do that already, or how I did that already. So right click and then start looking carefully for them. Okay, I think I have image source, img src, that is image source. I have this images, then under images folder I have main slider, then dream home.png. okay, dream home.png, images, main slider, dream home.png. Do I have anything about the size? No detail right here. So I have to go straight to the project folder, okay, which is this. Okay, my websites, and then I have websites clone tutorial. Come right here and press glow. Okay, then go to images, then main slider. Okay, inside I have these three sliders, right? So I'm going to look for the file size from here, or the dimension from here. This is, if I right click, if I hover on it, it gives me 1894 times 823, meaning that the width is 1894 and the height is, 821. 1894, 821. So I'll go straight to Canva. Then try to create another design. 1894 and 821. 1894, 821. I believe I'm correct. I hope so. Yes, 1894, 821. Beautiful. So now that I have that, I'll just come right here, create a design. 1894, 821, create a new design. Okay, so this is the design we have, right? It is also important I do something. It's very important I do something. I need to go back to that, my downloads. This particular image, I think it will be better if I make it transparent. I think it will make a lot of sense. Can it be transparent? Let me check. That's for child 1. Let me check if remove.bg can help with that. Remove.bg. I want to see if it will remove the background of the first child. I need that to happen for a very good reason. Can you do this for me? What's going on? Okay, let me click this one for a fresh project. Okay, child 1 again. Let's see if it works. I want the background to be removed for this work to be clean. Okay, so the background has been removed. This is perfect. This is perfect. Let's see. Okay, so now that we have this one, where is it? This is it down here. Okay, so I'm going to need child 1, child 2, and child 3. So let's go straight to Canva. Go back to Canva. So I'll go straight to upload. Where I have upload files, click it, and then I'm going to take child 1, child 2, and child 3. Bring them in at once. Okay, child 1 seems ready. I'll click this. All right. Okay, this image looks incomplete. I didn't pay attention to that before, but it's okay. It's only a tutorial, no problem. So I can decide to change the color of the background. Okay, I just click this and then come right here to something off-white, maybe. Yes, this is perfect. This is okay. So okay, take this a little. Yeah, that's perfect. So I can download this again. Yes, that's perfect. Then the very next thing I want to do is to bring in the next one. Okay, bring in the next one, remove this one right now. Okay, then of course maybe we'll remove the background color, but that might not be necessary. I'll bring in the second one. This very cute white girl. Okay. Bring in the second one. All right. Okay. All right. So that's fine. So I'll also have to download this as well. That's perfect. Download. Okay, while that one is downloading as well, I'll just come here again and remove this one. Bring in this other guy, okay, and then expand it. Let it cover the whole area. Oh, that's okay. So I'm going to cancel this out, no longer necessary. Okay, so I'll just come right here. All the images I've downloaded. I'll click on my download again to try to refresh so I can find all of them. I have 1, 2, and 3. So I'm just going to call this one school 1. School 1. Then call this one school 2. School 2. Then call this one school 3. Okay, so I'm gonna take all of them, cut them out, then go back to the project folder where I have the sliders. Okay, my websites, website clone tutorial, Empress Glow, and then I have images, main slider. So I'll pour all of them here. No. Go to paste. Yes, paste. So the 3 are here. And if you check it very well, all of them have that exact dimension. 1894 times 821, just like these other ones that were there before. So I'll just come right here and search for where these images are, where the sliders are. Okay, already I've got the name of the first one. I'll just right click, then edit as HTML, so I can get to copy the file path. Okay, so I'll come right here and do this. I'll copy this. Okay, so I'll go straight to my code editor and search for it here. Very well, this is it. So the very first thing, let's go back to those images and be sure if they are PNG. This is PNG. This is PNG. This is also PNG. Beautiful. So just come right here and call this one school 1. Okay. Let's look for where this li tag ends. That is this list item tag. It ends down here. So the next one begins right here. This one is, let's come here and change it. School 2. Okay. Let's look for where it ends again. It ends here, meaning the third one kicks off from here, right? Now, this one is also school 3. Okay. School 3. If there is no mistake, everything should be perfect. So let's go ahead and reload this. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. So, what about the next image? Yeah, wonderful. What about the third one? Wow, awesome. As you can see, our real estate website is gradually turning into a school website. What about all of these texts? Find your urban path, discover your dream space and all that. We don't need that for a school. We need something better. We need something that speaks the language of education, right? Especially Montessori or primary education. Okay, to get all the contents, let's look for an existing school website. Okay, let's look for an existing school website. I have once created a tutorial on this particular school, Springmont School. So I like how the website looks like, and I always love to use it, but this time I chose not to use their website. I think I'm having a network problem. Okay, thank God we're there. Okay, so this is the website I want us to use. Let's look at all the sliders and the text that follow. Natural curiosity is nurtured through hands-on experiences. So let me copy this one. And then come right here. For the first slide, for the first slide, let me see what can be there. Okay, I think that should come here. Natural curiosity, hands-on experience. So that should be for slide 1. Okay, let's go back to the first one. Yeah, for school 1. Okay, it has this. Natural curiosity is nurtured through hands-on experience. So I'm just going to say is okay, let me just try to invert the whole sentence. Let me just say hands-on experience nurtures natural curiosity. That's fine. So hands-on experience nurtures natural curiosity. So let me just put nurtures natural curiosity. Okay, hands-on experience nurtures natural curiosity. Let's see how that works. Let's see. Helps nurture natural curiosity. Let's see how that works. Let's reload this page and see what's up. Okay, hands-on experiences. Looking ugly. Let me just use the word experiences. Okay, experiences. Yes, experiences help nurture natural curiosity. So that helps. We're going to remove the S. Okay, very well. So for this one, I can say let's just say learning by experience. Learning by experience. That should take care of slide 1. So the very next thing I want to do is slide 2. Yeah, that's awesome. Learning by experience. Experiences help nurture natural curiosity. Okay, so the next thing is what? Yeah, enjoy tranquility amidst vibrant energy or city energy. So just come right here. In-depth learning. First of all, let's see the picture that's there. Okay, they look really serious. Okay, so I'm just gonna say, I think that one that has to do with in-depth learning is fine. In-depth learning experience allows students to master new concepts. So I'm gonna pick this. Okay, then I'm gonna look for a way to change the words and then get to use them well. Okay, this is for school too, right? Very well. So just come right here. Let me put it down here somehow. Okay, in-depth learning experience. In-depth learning experience. Or let me just say concept mastery. Concept mastery. Can I just put it like this? Concept mastery. Concept mastery through in-depth learning experience or through in-depth learning. Let me just put this through in-depth learning. So let me put this right here. Concept mastery through in-depth learning experiences. Let me see if that works. Okay. Concept mastery through in-depth learning experiences. Yeah, I have. What do I put here? Let's just say every new concept. Okay. Ease of new concepts mastery. Okay, I think everything should begin with capital letter. Let's see how that goes before we move forward. So let me reload the page and see what it has for us. Learning by experience, ease of new concept mastery. So concept mastery through in-depth learning experience. So let me come right here, and I think there's an error somewhere. Yeah, there's a need for a Y here. Okay, so let's reload the page again, and okay, so the next one would be, okay, this is perfect. The next one would be the third one, which is this: experience the comfort of city living. I'm going to change it again to something that makes sense. Interaction with Montessori classroom materials. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'll just go straight to the third one. I can call it direct exposure to Montessori. Am I correct? Montessori learning materials, right? Or classroom materials. Montessori materials. Let's see how that works. Let's try to reload the page. Okay. Okay. Montessori materials. Direct exposure to Montessori materials. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. So this one we can call it interaction. Let me call this interaction. Interaction with, come on now. Interaction with Montessori materials. Okay, so I'm going to reload the page. I think we're done with all the sliders. Yes, we're done. We're through with all the sliders. So at this juncture, it is also important that we change, instead of this who we are, we're Empress Global. No. This is not it. This is not it. This is not it. So instead of this who we are, what can we put here? Let's just search for who we are here. Who we are. Instead of this who we are, we can have maybe our school or our great school. Our great school. So we can just say pristine school. Okay, so that takes care of that for now. So the very next thing would be this content. This content. Okay, let me just do something. Let me just do something improvisory. Yep. Let me try to just put something here. Your first visit to our great school will certainly leave you helplessly attracted to being a part of us. Although normally ChatGPT will take care of all of these things for us, but we don't quite have that luxury of time. So let me just okay, let me erase this other one. Okay, so I'm just going to put the same thing here just to give us content. Okay, so let's reload this page. Beautiful. So here we are. What else? There was an underline here before. There was something here before that I erased by mistake. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Yes, this was on the line before, I remember. So I think this detail is just too small. Okay, let's reload it again and see what happens. Okay, so our school website is gradually standing. Okay, so I'm just gonna change these two pictures, or maybe just this one alone, and then see how we can okay, before then, let me try to change this color, because maybe one of the questions you'll have would be, how do I change colors? What if I don't like the current colors there? Okay, I can come right here. Any color, use anything, whose color you want to change, just come right here and right click it, come straight to inspect. Okay, maybe it's this. As you can see, as you move your cursor, you'll see what is happening here. So I think this is for this part now. So let me come right here and see if I will check if I will see the color. Okay, that means it's not it, right? We keep checking. How about this? Aha, this is the color, right? So I'll just come right here and then I'm looking for something near this. I think this is deep orange, right? So I just adjust this one a little, like it's becoming red. Okay, then bring this one down. I think this is it. I think this is it. So I'm just going to come right here, copy this one. So we have used only one stone to kill very many birds right now. Come right here, take this one, copy it like this, go up. Go up, 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 up. Okay, come right here where you have all of these styles. Come right here and then paste it here. Okay, there you go. Let's try to reload the page. This remains permanent. Very well. So it is now the same as this color. So it's making more sense right now. Okay, so now that this one is permanent, let's try to work on this particular one, this button right here, so we can inspect it too. So we can just come right here and see. Okay, this is the button. So we can come right here and check out the color. Yeah, this is the color, right? So just come right here. Let's see if I change it to red, what happens? Okay, I can change it to whatever I like, that is. So I'll just come right here and copy the entire style. All I need is the color. So just come right here, back to the style. Okay, paste it right here. This color I have here, I'll copy it and then paste it here. Okay, that means the button color has changed. Okay, to the exact color of this. Let's see, let's reload the page. So as you can see, this is it, the color has changed. So the last thing I want to change right now is this image, and that will be the end of this particular tutorial. This image, so let's check it. Let's highlight this. Let's highlight this right now. Okay, I have, this is it. Images, resource, and then about.png. Images, resource, about.png. What I need right now is the size. We have 250 times 298. Let's go to Canva. 250 times 298. 250 times 298. Let's create a design for this. 250 times 298. Okay, so this is it, right? So I just go straight to free pick again. Go straight to free pick again, then look for an image that will do that for us. Okay, let me look for happy school child. Happy school child. I don't want this, I've already used it. Can I use this? Okay. That's a fine image too. Okay. This one's look grown up. I'm looking for a very, very, very small boy or girl. Okay, they are all very small anyway. Okay, this one is... No, I don't want this one. Okay, let's go with this one right here. This is awesome. Well, this one is thinking about the future. I think this one is beautiful. Let me get this. No. I need her to be happy. I need the child to be very happy. Okay, I like this one. Let's go with this. So I'm just going to I'm gonna take a screenshot of this particular one because I don't know if the download will permit me to, if the download will be very, very fast. So I think I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Windows print screen. Okay, yeah. So now that I have this, I'll just go straight to my... Do I even need to crop it? I don't think I need to crop it. I'll just come right here and carry the image. Go to my uploads. I don't need to crop it. Go straight to my pictures. Inside my screenshots, this is the image. I'll bring it right here the way it is. I'll bring it right here the way it is, and then okay, so I'll click it. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what can happen. Okay. Yes, so this is the image. This is perfect. This is perfect. So I'll just download it like this. Just download the image like this, and then okay, so I think that settles there. I should already have it in my downloads. I'll just go pick it up. Yeah, so I'm going to call her Smile Perfect, just like Pick Perfect. Smile Perfect. Smile Perfect. Okay, of course it's a PNG file, I believe so. Yes, so I'll just come right here, cut it, and then let's see, where is that image again? Image, resource, and then about. So I'll come right here, go to the project. We have my websites. Okay, so I have empressglow.com. I have images followed by resource. Okay, and then about. Yeah, I have to drop the image right here. Yeah, Smile Perfect. So I'll just come right here to this place. I'm gonna search for images slash resource about. So this is it. So I'm gonna call this one Smile Perfect. Let's save our work and then reload the page, and voila, we have a pretty girl from the school, from Pristine School. What about this guy? Maybe I should quickly just change this one. Already, you know exactly what to do, right? So I think if this one is about 1, this should be about 2. We have it right here. This is the second image. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick it and check the dimension of the image, and then we can get to quickly change it in few seconds. Okay, about 2 is 300 times 504. 300 times 504. Whoa. So I'm gonna just cancel this out, come back here. 300 times 504. Peugeot 504. Okay, so I'll go to FreePick again. Go to freepick.com. Handsome boy or handsome schoolboy. No. This one is a big boy. No, I don't want this one. Handsome little schoolboy. Yeah. Okay, I think these will do the job. What about this? This one is a professor. Okay, so let's go with this. I'm just gonna do print screen so that I don't waste too much time trying to download, and my network doesn't seem very good right now. Okay, so going to there's actually a way around everything. I want to finish the tutorial as soon as I can. Okay, I think it's already in my photos. So let me go straight to Canva again. Go to uploads, upload files. Yeah, this is the image. I just bring it right here. Okay, this is perfect. So I'm just going to enlarge it and bring it straight into where it's supposed to be. Yes, this is it. I love this. Okay. I don't want that white. I think this is perfect like this. Okay, this is okay. This is perfect. So I'll just come right here and share and download. So I'm just gonna call this guy. I'm gonna call him Lil Prof. I call him Lil Prof. Okay, so if there's a little Wayne, there should be a little Prof. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this. Sorry, I'm gonna cut this. Then take it straight to the project, my websites. Man, this has been a long tutorial. So, images, resource, and paste this right here, Lil Prof. So I'll just come right to my code editor, and then I'll call this guy Lil Prof. Okay, I'm gonna save my work, and then here we go. Yeah, so real estate website has turned into a school website. So the same way you can change every other thing, explore the distinctive. For instance, you want to change this one, you can just copy it and then go straight to this place and search for it. As you can see, this is it, right? You can change this one to explore our great academic environment. Come on now. Academic environment. You can change anything at all you want to change. Anything at all you want to change. You can edit any website in this world. Okay? Can you see? Explore our great academic environment. You can change all these pictures, search for them, just right click and then inspect as we did the rest of them. Before you know, your website is fully ready. So this will bring us to the end of this tutorial. It's been a long one, but I'm sure it was really enjoyed, right? So I'll see you in our next tutorial. Enjoy yourself. Goodbye.